Hello everyone, welcome to Pravya'S Food Diaries. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love watching them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today, in this video, we are going to see the recipe of Pune's famous Bakarwadi. It is almost the same or similar to the one that we get in the market. So, without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. To make the shape, in a bowl, mix together besan, hing, turmeric powder, salt, oil and make a semi-thick paste out of it using water. Apply oil on the sides of the mold and transfer the batter to the mold. Pipe out the shape using a shave mold directly into the hot oil. Fry until it's crispy and golden brown in color. Once it's done, let it cool down till room temperature and then crush it into small pieces. For the dough, mix together maida, salt and oil until it forms a crumbly texture and holds its shape very well. Add water and knead a semi-stiff dough. It should neither be too stiff nor soft. Then cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. To make the masala of the bakarwadi, dry roast cumin seeds, coriander seeds and sesame seeds for few minutes on a low flame. Let this cool down till room temperature. Now divide this mixture into two parts. Crush half of the mixture and powder the other half of the mixture. Combine both the mixture together and then add red chili powder, hing and some salt to taste into it. To prepare the chutney, cook together imli paste and jaggery until a semi-thick consistency. After 10 minutes, knead it again by stretching the dough and until it becomes soft. Then rest it again for 30 minutes. For the stuffing of the bakarwadi, mix together prepared shape, dry coconut, dried and chopped coriander leaves, prepared masala, green chili paste and imli and good chutney. Mix together everything lightly with the hands so that it coats the shape very well. To make bakarwadi, take one portion of a dough, roll it out in a 1 mm thickness, then cut out its sides to make a square and spread the filling in an even layer, leaving the ends. Then roll it tightly, making sure there is no air between the layers. Pinch the end sides of the dough, apply some water and seal the edge properly. Dust little flour over the roll and roll it again so the filling is secured and will make the roll thinner. Trim off the ends and cut them into 1-inch pieces. Press it from the side and also from the up so that there are no air bubbles between the layers. Fry in moderately hot oil on low flame until golden brown and crispy. Transfer it to a kitchen paper or tissue paper to get rid of excess oil. Let it cool down till room temperature and store it in an airtight container for a couple of weeks. You can also enjoy it with a tea, as a snack or as a midnight craving. I hope you will love this recipe, and if you do, please do let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.